Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. Welcome to our series of lessons on English food and drink vocabulary. Today, we'll explore the delicious world of bagels, almonds, sausages, spices, herbs, seafood, and more. Get ready to improve your English and learn more about food and drinks. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English learning lessons. Alright, let's begin. Food and drinks. Part 1. Baguette. Baguette. I eat baguette for breakfast with butter and jam. Baguette. Bagel. Bagel. My sister likes to put cheese on her bagel. Bagel. Pretzel. Pretzel. Pretzels are a popular snack in Germany. Pretzel. Donut. Donut. Do you want a donut with your coffee? Donut. Cake. Cake. On Sundays, I eat cake for dessert. Cake. Chocolate. Chocolate. I guess everyone likes to eat chocolate? Chocolate. Jelly. Jelly. Kids love to eat jelly. Jelly. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. I always put maple syrup on my pancakes. Maple syrup. Candy. Candy. My sister loves candy and eats it every day. Candy. Cornflakes. Cornflakes. Cornflakes are a popular breakfast cereal. Cornflakes. Oat flakes. Oat flakes. I like to eat oat flakes with plant milk. Oat flakes. Nuts. Nuts. Squirrels like to eat nuts. Nuts. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter can be used to make cookies. Peanut butter. Almonds. Almonds. Almonds are a healthy snack to eat between meals. Almonds. Spices. Spices. I add spices to my food to make it more flavorful. Spices. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Do you like the taste of cinnamon in your coffee? Cinnamon. Herbs. Herbs. Basil, thyme, and oregano are popular herbs. Herbs. chicken, chicken. Chicken is a common ingredient in many dishes. Chicken. Turkey, turkey. A turkey is bigger than a chicken. Turkey. Sausage, sausage. You can cook sausage in a pan or in the oven. Sausage. Bacon, bacon. People often eat bacon for breakfast with eggs. Bacon. Ham, ham. Ham is often used in sandwiches. Ham. Ground meat, ground meat. Ground meat is used to make burgers and meatballs. Ground meat. Fish, fish. I buy fish at the grocery store or fish market. Fish. Salmon, salmon. I like to eat salmon with rice and vegetables. Salmon. Seafood, seafood. I like to eat seafood at a restaurant by the beach. Seafood. Pickle, pickle. Pickles are a good addition to sandwiches. Pickle. Beans, beans. My mom makes tacos with beans. Beans. Lemonade, lemonade. Lemonade is made with lemon juice, sugar, and water. Lemonade. Soda, soda. I usually drink soda with ice. Soda. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Do you enjoy trying new foods and drinks? Let's see how many English words you know to describe them. Ready to put your knowledge to the test? Okay, let's get started. Baguette, baguette. Bagel, bagel. Pretzel, pretzel. Donut, donut. Cake, cake. Chocolate, chocolate. Jelly, jelly. Maple syrup, maple syrup. Candy, candy. Cornflakes, cornflakes. Oat flakes. Oat flakes. Nuts. Nuts. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Almonds. Almonds. Spices. Spices. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Herbs. Herbs. Chicken. Chicken. Turkey. Turkey. Sausage. Sausage. Bacon. Bacon. Ham. Ham. Ground meat. Ground meat. Fish. Fish. Salmon. Salmon. Seafood. Seafood. Pickle. Pickle. Beans. Beans. Lemonade. Lemonade. Soda. Soda. Great job! We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.